Hello guys! Are you the expert about nature surrounding your home and neighboring islands? Or want to learn more? Are you between 11 and 14 years old and want to do something fun and different with your friends virtually? Join the Big Life Nature Quiz to put your nature knowledge to the test. Join me in taking a plunge in the Dutch Caribbean Sea and challenge yourself with other island competitors on Aruba, Bonaire, Curaçao, Saba, Statia and Sint Maarten. Are you ready to take on the challenge of the Big Life Nature Quiz? Do not fret, we will transport you to the middle of our national parks and you do not even have to leave your seats. Want to hear the best part of this adventure? It's online, it's free, it's fun and it's for you. And you can win a sailing and snorkeling trip with your friends. It's amazing! Enter from your computer, through Zoom, from home, during your after-school program, and make sure you have a phone with you to answer the questions. Hello? Go ahead, save the date, Wednesday, November 25th at 4 p.m. This event you do not want to miss. Later.